Hey guys, we got the engine back in the e60. Boy, that was not fun. Especially with this differential right here. If it will focus, this differential. It was hitting the rack and pinion, so I had to take it out, put it in, take it out, put it in. But we got it back in the car. We have a bunch more work to do. We got to put the intake, serpentine belt, radiator, exhaust, and we got our two upgrades. We have one intake relocation kit going right over here. We're getting rid of that expansion tank. And we have expansion relocation kit combo from Jack Fabrication going over here. The combo is it's an expansion tank with a oil catch can built in. It's a really nice piece. I'll show you guys tomorrow when we're putting everything back together. So, boy, we're getting close. Hope this car runs. We're getting so close. All right, I'll catch you guys back tomorrow. Hey guys, it's a new day. We're gonna finally get this car all finished and hopefully we get it started at the end of this. We got our intake to install, we got a radiator, we have our intake kit to install with our new expansion tank that goes right here. So let's get the intake on and start finishing up this car so we could see if it runs or not. Okay, we already installed all new gasket on the intake. We got the runner gasket installed. We got the valve, the throttle body gasket installed. It's so much easier to install the intake without that pipe in the back because you always fight up with that inlet that's on the back. Look at that. It just pops right in. We're just gonna speed through this. We got the charge pipe to install with the lower cooler pipe. So I'm just gonna speed through this. That would have been that. Does it go like this? Oh, yeah, probably.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
That's on. We got our VRS charge pipe that he has to install. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at this shit. I never like installing these things because they're so hard to install. What helps my install when I'm installing silicone? A little bit of grease goes a long way. A little lube goes a long way. Look at that, just slips right in. There we go with that. Now, with this. Oh, before I put this on, I should plug the throttle body in. I don't want to take this out again. Click. That's good. Okay, here we go. Time to fight with this thing. I think the next thing we're gonna install is the expansion tank. We got a brand new expansion tank combo from Jack Fabrication. We're gonna install this in this car and see what modification we need to do. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, we got the expansion tank all bolted in. We had to remove one of these fittings to put a 90 with some hose clamps. So it comes all the way over here and it comes around and it goes right back there. I have to put a fitting, a hose clamp on the AN fitting right there. But it looks pretty good. I hope it doesn't leak because there was a lot of cut-in and hose clamps everywhere. So we're gonna be putting in this intake kit, which I heard online that they're really hard to put in because we gotta pass it behind the firewall here and there's not much room. So that's gonna be fun. So I don't want to bore you guys with struggling putting this in. I'll just show you the end product when we got it in. So see ya.
I just wanna be with you all night. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you can find joy, I'll be your light. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, just call my phone, be your blind. Night. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. 就趁热去收藏 ，cause your rose only.
To me. Okay guys, we're gonna take this car for a test drive. We finished it a couple of days ago. Let's hear how it sounds. You could hear the turbo noises, but you can't hear it so loud in the car because we got the windows up. It sounds really good with the windows down, but I don't know if you guys could hear it over the wind noise. Holy shit. Hey guys, it's been a couple of days since we finished the install in the e60 and my cameraman is falling down from my jack. But we got it all installed. We did the intake relocation kit. We did the, what did we did? The expansion tank. Come over, let me show you what we did. And we have this coming out soon for the next project. Freshly refreshed. And I would say though these intake relocation kits, they are a pain to install. My advice, if you're going to install it, be prepared to curse, fight, and be very annoyed. Because when I was installing this particular intake relocation kit, I had to drop the subframe to install it. I tried putting it on when I put the engine in, but it did not work. And if you're going to get one, don't be like me and cheap out and get one off of eBay. Get a good one. The VRS ones, they're all silicone, so they'll install better. But so far, it's been running fine. The induction noise that it makes is crazy. So if you guys like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And join me in the next one because we got some more upgrades to do. Stage 2 Plus coming, baby. Later.